Well, hi there folks, it's Matt Hayson here looking at everything impacting the property market this week. Well, the hot topic is, of course, inflation. It's no longer sticky, it's in fact going up. Let's look at the numbers. We know now that mean inflation this week came through at 4.4%. That's up from 4.1% in May. That's the third consecutive month in a row that inflation has risen in Australia. We know that the target band for the RBA is sitting between 2 and 3%, so we're well off that mark. And about $23 billion in tax relief is about to land as well, which apparently the RBA had been factoring into their numbers. Now, following this latest increase in inflation, economist Christopher Joy has come out with a pretty scathing attack, suggesting that the RBA has made a major policy blunder, not following the peer central banks around the world, and they should have risen the cash rate far harder and faster to 5% to crush inflation. He's also said that the RBA's dovish behaviour is also politically motivated. Also over at Judo Bank, chief economist there, Warren Hogan, has equally been miffed, suggesting that it's the news that not everybody wants to hear, but the 4.35% cash rate isn't doing enough to crush inflation. He's also very concerned about the $40 billion fiscal bomb, which is about to land, which is not just in tax relief, but it's also in this government, both federally and state spending. As a result of that, calls are growing louder for Treasurer Jim Chalmers to rein in the state and federal spending, but that's unlikely to happen. And as a result of this, traders are now forecasting that there is a 50% chance of a cash rate increase in August coming our way. Now, looking around the grounds, listings through winter are increasing. In fact, domain data suggests that they are 30% higher than the corresponding period in winter last year, which is pretty interesting. Also, CoreLogic data looking at 85,000 resales in Q1 of 2024. Almost 95% of those sellers made a profit, as Australian homeowners have enjoyed the growth over the last decade or so. Now, looking at the auction clearance rate though, that's just hanging on, sitting at just near 50% for the week. So boiling all of this down and looking at the market dynamic in play at the present time, we've got pressure on the cash rate potentially rising in the coming months. We've also got rising listings as we move through winter. We've got an auction clearance rate which is sitting around 50%, and in our view, that's favouring buyers. We've got an average of 17 buyers coming through our open home inspections and an average of 1.7 generally interest buyers per listed property. So it's a very interesting market dynamic. We've also got homeowners which are turning a profit. So we'll see what this market unfolds as we move deeper into winter, and we're still listing some amazing properties, and our entire team looks forward to seeing you out and about. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all next week.